we can talk.
Suave.
I wanna be the destiny.
My shit on 3, chat. My shit about to die, but we got the Cinnamon Toast Crunch Chirps. You about to, for me? I don't know if y'all gonna see the review of this video. Y'all might have to follow up for the next shit, but open this shit, see what it's talking about. Shit sealed, word? No Reebok.
What the fuck?
That niggas be selling that Reebok. That fucking smoking. Yo, this shit really sealed, game on. I might have to get some scissors for this bitch. Hold on. This shit's so serious, you gotta get the scissors. Hold on, thumbnail. Suck my dick. A lot of spray trend for me. I was really smoking heavy spray like 2023. That's when the spray really started getting popping in 2022, 2023. I was smoking on every sprinkles drop. You know how much I was spending on weed? I was spending like $300 on freaking 5/8. Every trip, spending $300 on 5/8. I smoke too much to be doing that shit, man. You know how much I smoke? I smoke like 5 times a day. Spending rent on weed. I be spending niggas rent on weed. I'm trying to tell y'all again. I need a first blunt y'all smoke. Every time y'all smoke some new shit, y'all gotta make sure y'all roll a boulder. Cause you gotta experience a boulder. Like you could stretch it after, but smoke a boulder at first, you heard? No bullshit. Shit that smell like sprinks. I'm taking mad long, gang. Hold on. They say when you use the alien grabber, you gotta go 15%. 15% grabber. I don't like no hotties, but I should be tasting like bullshit. I don't know. I don't know if y'all like smoking like that, but smoking hotties, that should be making you nauseous, getting them sturdy. I don't want that. 15% on the grabber, you heard? I might have went a little OD, but it should be. I already know how they be getting with the restrictions, man. You gotta chill. No funny shit. I think this most likely gonna be a new vlog, cause I'm not about to be putting no 30-minute footage for you. Not yet, son. I gotta make all these videos count. I gotta subscribe. I need a fan base. I need it. You feel me? Can't waste my footage, Tony. Gotta say that shit for a new video so I can drop another video for you, man. But once we get the ball rolling, I'm seeing the consistency, putting pain for y'all, but I definitely got some long ass videos coming in the future though. Like in the next month and shit, so like the way I'm moving, the way I'm coming, my foot been on the gas. My foot been on the gas, man. If you seeing this now, you're gonna be like, damn, my son really was at the bottom and now he up. Like, yeah, son, I'm telling you, could do the same shit, gang. I was just like you. I'm regular right now, gang. Still regular. Obviously, we're not regular, but as far as popularity and shit like that, gang, I'm just like you, man. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't smoke spray in a brick. Shit tastes sturdy. This shit was fake a bad idea to try this shit. I edit this video. Shit got me smacked, ready to go to bed on, bro. Don't try this shit if you gotta edit a video. Gonna be fried rice. What the fuck? Snow already starting, chat. I guess this real second blizzard, I guess they wasn't lying. It's 7 in the morning, I drive baby girl on foot, you feel me? Before she be snowed over here for mad long, and I know she don't want that. She a Harlem girl, you know how they get. They don't like Jersey, I don't know. She don't like Jersey, I don't like Harlem. Fuck it. I'm about to go drop her off. Hopefully, we get there safely. And we get back safely before the snow start bugging out. Come on, baby, cross. Capto chat the Cinnamon Toast Crunch spray. Shit been putting me out, gang. I smoked another. I smoked a spliff at 10 o'clock. Went to bed. Nighttime. 10 o'clock Saturday. I told you I was up early as hell all day. I was editing all day. I was tired. I wake up at 4 in the morning. Another spliff of spray put me out, gang. I'm talking about like completely. My girl woke me up, told me I gotta take her home before the storm get crazy. So it's like spray, 10 out of 10 review. to go back home and I'm trying to hibernate again. If you get what I'm saying, I'm trying to hibernate again for.
Stop it. Get some help.
Been driving for 5 minutes. They already talking about radar assistance systems can't operate. Nah, gang. I'm happy as hell. My girl don't live in no Queens, none of that shit. I'm Brooklyn, this shit only 15 minutes away. Thank God, gang. You trying to tell her she basically from Jersey. Shit 10 minutes away, I'm trying to tell you.
I don't, but I want you. She's fine too, but I want you.
Just to be the one that makes it right. Just to be the one who don't have the time.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie, it's my cousin shit. I'm trying to tell you, I really running the family. All cold with this shit. Listen what he said, listen to what he said. I had to call to get a lens. Tissue. Look, y'all shit fake sturdy. Y'all sturdy right now. Like, baby girl get inside. Baby girl inside. I gotta make this late. It's a snowstorm. I gotta get the fuck up out of here. Papito, you can't go, Papito. Papito, you can't go. Sorry. It's a snowstorm, Papito. You got legs? I'm in the carro, you heard? Soon this shit gonna be slipping and sliding. You can't go either, nigga. You think you a thug? You not, nigga. Get the fuck out my way. Fuck is wrong with him? Big booted off the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. This go for a good freestyle, right? Yeah, we gonna freestyle in the blizzard. Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, this my vibe right here. Listen, listen. Anytime I'm spinning racks, I just think I want more. Listen. I get the hate out this bitch. I get the hate out this bitch in the V. She wanna fuck with a nigga. She know I got racks. She know I'm too clean. I cannot fuck with a bitch. I know how they move. I know how they scheme. She just gonna snake you out. She fucking other niggas. She do it for. Yeah. She just gonna do it for what? She just gonna do it for paper. I don't even care what they saying. These niggas be trying. These niggas be heinous. I gotta stick with a laser. I gotta stick with a laser. Give a fuck about no bitch. I'm worried about racks. I'm just chasing paper. I ain't got this V. I get the dick in the SRT. He tryna fuck. She know that I'm him. She wanna fuck cause she know that I'm. Yeah. She know that I'm way too clean. Bitch, I got racks. Bitch, I got racks. Spend like 20. Bitch, I got it right back. Bitch, I got the dog in the Jakes. I get the dog in the Jakes. This car too fast. Can go on the chase. This car too fast. Bitch, fuck the ops. They can't go on the chase. Yeah. I told her I want her. I told her I wanted her. Shorty just played in my face. Shorty just played in my face. I ran for your love like shit was a race. I had to hop on the Ave. I had to duck for the Jakes. Niggas been all on my dick. They know what I do. I've been chasing this cake. Damn, I run it right back. Nigga, I run it right back. $70 though for all this. This fake sturdy. Found out Walmart fake fixed their prices. Get the fuck out of here. It's so good. I think I'm addicted. Thank God I got a 7th of the sugar cookie toast crunch. Cause this shit be putting me in a coma. I'm ready to go back to sleep. This shit smell lovely, bro. Why the fuck they miss me? Rather be gone. I don't know how to explain. This shit fake tastes like sprinkles, but sprinkles was definitely on point. They shit was smelling just like the packaging. That was the thing about sprinkles. You know how much bread I spent on sprinkles? And I wasn't even one of them big sprinkle heads, but I definitely spent like, call them 2,000 on sprinkles. I had to again, mad sprinkles, but I fake fuck with the snowball weed too, the white weed, the cocaine weed. That shit's dirty. The fuck is those? It's a blizzard. I'm dead out here, be out. Trying to spray cinnamon toast crunch. I got 2 portions of me trying it for y'all. Cause y'all know we get overly fried over here.
Yeah, lost my brother, that shit really hurt. See how I be get put in the dirt. 40 kicking that shit go berserk. Boy, you can't beef you, bro, but that's merch. Now I lost her, I'm killing her cat. I beat it up and she say I'm too tired. GBG, but we always get back. If that shit bitch, why she let me slide? I can't go walk around with this move. Get them steam, make it hot like a kettle. Ain't no talking, ain't shit we could settle. Jada demon, she say I'm the devil. Yeah, baby, yeah, I need some real love. Heart is so cold, I don't feel love. And I ain't with real thugs, but diamonds on me, so I feel love. Put that one on cause brother got aim with that G-line. And he only aiming for treetops. Clicking and click till I heat. And your bitch was on my like she beatbox. She just go down and keep going and going. And she just keep blowing and blowing. And I just be knowing and knowing. And I ain't the only one that should be blowing. And I came along, nigga, from the jet. I gotta move around with a stick. Brody be hitting niggas till they twist. Fuck around, leave a nigga with his bitch. You always saying that you done in a minute. I ain't been feeling love in a minute. But I make you fall in love in a minute. Promise you never.